What is a corporate minute book? Welcome to our YouTube video series on business corporations and incorporation. My name is Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal, and in this particular video we will be looking at the concept of the corporate minute book. A corporate minute book is a colloquial term used to reference the collection of corporate documents of an incorporated company that is maintained by its officers and/or directors. The specific contents of the corporate minute book can vary, although it is advisable to include those corporate documents specified by the jurisdiction's business corporations legislation, such as the Canada Business Corporations Act, the Ontario Business Corporations Act, and the Alberta Business Corporations Act. When we look at Section 21 of the Alberta Business Corporations Act, we are provided with the statutory minimums as to documentation and records that must be retained by the corporation, many of which will be included in the corporate minute book. Although the corporation's officers and directors oftentimes include additional documents that they deem of relevance to the operations and management of the corporation. Pursuant to subsection 21 sub 1 of the Alberta Business Corporations Act, a corporation shall prepare and maintain in its records office records containing a. the articles and the bylaws, all amendments of the articles and bylaws, a copy of any unanimous shareholders agreement, and any amendment to a unanimous shareholders agreement. B. minutes of meetings and resolutions of shareholders. C. copies of all notices required by Section 106 or 113. D. a securities register complying with Section 49. E. copies of the financial statements, reports, and information referred to in Section 155 sub 1. And F. a register of disclosures made pursuant to Section 120. Furthermore, pursuant to subsection 21 sub 2 of the Alberta Business Corporations Act, a central securities register is also to be maintained. However, it can be maintained at a place other than the registered office pursuant to subsection 21 sub 3, but then, quote, the corporation shall maintain a record of the names and contact information of all agents and officers at which the register is maintained, end quote. Financial records are subject to retention as per subsection 21 sub 5 of the Alberta Business Corporations Act. Quote, a corporation shall prepare and maintain adequate accounting records and records containing minutes of meetings and resolutions of the directors and any committee of the directors, end quote, such that it might be forming part of the corporate minute book. However, it is important to consider potentially different disclosure obligations and restrictions which may make maintaining those financial records in a separate book an advisable consideration. Thank you.